Have you ever watched a cooking show where the dish looked absolutely perfect on screen and then you try the same recipe at home and it tastes nothing like it looked? Supplier lab tours work exactly the same way. The lighting is perfect, the spectrometer is gleaming, but the calibration file, nobody shows you that. I am Rahul Agarwal, Managing Director at Fresh Tech. Here is how to access a supplier lab properly without leaving your desk. The lab that looks most impressive is not always the most reliable. Real competence lives in traceable evidence, not false certificates. A 10-minute live test with raw data tells you more than any aggregation slide. And the single best predictor of future quality is simple. Do the results match yours when you both test the same sample independently? Three things to verify on any video. I call it pre-proof in 15 minutes. Proof 1. Calibration. Before the call, ask for calibration certificates with uncertainty values, reference standards, and 90 days of temperature logs. If they cannot send this before the call, that is already your answer. Proof 2. Competence. During the call, ask the operator to show the test method on screen. Walk through specimen preparation live and show their own training record. No editing, no jumping ahead. Proof 3. Correlation. Watch a live test with raw output visible on screen. Then send a blind sample after the call and compare their results to yours. Ask yourself one honest question before approving any lab. If a result came back wrong tomorrow, what proof did I verify today? That would tell me exactly why. What silent lab risk have you caught remotely? Share it in the comments. Your experience might save someone else a very costly surprise. Thank you. See you in my next video.